Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to completely erase your Xbox One S before selling it using the updated 2025 process. First, unplug any external storage devices or peripherals connected to your console. Ensure your Xbox One S is powered on and connected to a stable internet connection for the process. Log in with the account you primarily use, as this ensures full access to all system settings. We want to make sure everything is ready before diving into the reset options. To begin, press the glowing Xbox button right in the center of your controller. This action will instantly bring up the Xbox guide menu on your screen. Navigate to the far left tab, which is labeled as Profile and System, and select it. From there, choose Settings, then proceed to System, and finally, select Console Info. This path leads us directly to the options we need. Once you are within the Console Info menu, you will see an option labeled Reset Console. Select this option to proceed with the data removal process. It is crucial to then choose Reset and Remove Everything, as this will completely wipe all accounts, games, and saved data from your console. A confirmation prompt will appear. Agree to this to start the complete factory reset of your Xbox One S. This ensures no personal data remains. After confirming the reset, your Xbox One S will restart and display a progress bar indicating the data wiping process. This entire operation typically takes approximately 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the amount of data previously stored. It is absolutely critical that you do not power off or unplug your console at any point during this reset. Allow it to finish completely on its own, ensuring a thorough and successful wipe before proceeding further. Once the reset is fully complete, your Xbox One S will boot up to the initial setup screen, just like it did when it was brand new. This confirms that all personal data, games, and accounts have been successfully removed, making it perfectly clean for its new owner. As an extra step, consider visiting account. Microsoft.com/devices to remove your Xbox from your registered devices list. This small action completely severs all ties to your console.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.